Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If Fortnite isn't showing as unavailable on the Epic Games launcher, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Restart your router if needed. Next, restart the Epic Games launcher. Open Task Manager, close any Epic Games processes, and relaunch it. If the issue persists, verify Fortnite's game file. Go to the launcher, click Library, then click the three dots next to Fortnite and select Verify. If Fortnite is still unavailable, update the launcher to its latest version. Go to Settings in the launcher, enable Auto Update Games, and restart the application. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall Fortnite, uninstall the game via the launcher, download it again, and reinstall. Thank you for watching How to Wave. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes.